Have you ever thought of making a humanoid robot, or at least a walking robot with 2 legs, like your own custom Nix Robot model?
Hi, I'm the creator of the Nix Robot. A couple of days ago, a book was released on how to build a bipedal walking robot, like this model, or like a model with a speaker that you have seen on this channel, but basically they are the same. The book contains everything you need to build the robot, a complete list of parts up to a single bolted nut, detailed assembly instructions with drawings, and all source code for robotic moves for programming with Raspberry Pi and Arduino. The book is available worldwide in all Amazon stores, and there are 3 editions of this book: Ebook, Paperback and Hardcover. And I recommend getting a paper version because of detailed drawings for assembly instructions and circuits that are present in this book. So now let's see some robotic moves that are included in the programming in that book.
You have 20 seconds to comply.
You can implement, extend, alter and combine moves that you see in this video with your own Nix Robot model using the building manual. The link is in the description of this video. By ordering this manual, you support this channel and allow creation of new projects. I wish you good luck with your own robotic projects.